Seasons change, and that is one of the most important things that I've ever got to learn in my entire life. And sometimes it feels unreal, sometimes it feels too far-fetched, and sometimes it almost feels impossible, mainly because situations surrounding our lives at the time are pressing us down, and they are shaking us together, and they are making us believe that there's no way out. But I've gotten to realize that seasons do change, and the Bible says that there's a time and a season for everything. And sometimes in those seasons you are meant to live your life in a certain way for you to actually learn the lessons that come with seasons, because we do know that seasons bring about elevation, and the more we pass through certain seasons, we come out with a certain wisdom that was specifically given by that season. And I do like the notion that there is no better teacher than experience, because the more we go through certain things and the more we experience certain seasons in our lives, there is no better teacher that could possibly have taught us the kind of experience that comes out from that particular season. So I do want to say that even as you go through certain seasons, as you experience different phases and parts of your life, you need to understand that seasons do change. And even if it's impossible to believe, I want to remind you that seasons do change. It will not always be summer, it will not always be winter, but all seasons are meant to come in your life for the purpose and the sake of your nourishment and your growth. And embrace each and every season and come out with a specific lesson and understanding from that particular season.